Hi lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Claudia. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about lifestyle. We talk about fragrance, fashion and much more. I hope you enjoyed this video enough to subscribe. We are on the road for 1,000 subscribers. We are about to get there. I'm counting on you to help the channel to grow. Thank you so much and smash that like button. Guys, look at my new pots. I burnt one pot. I am annoyed with myself. I mean, these pots are stunning. However, you know, the color doesn't really help. So when you're planning to buy your pots and pans, you have to think about in the long term how it's gonna turn out, because if you're gonna use for display purposes like I do as well, they will eventually change color. Yeah, so think about that. And I was thinking to get white. What was I thinking? And I'm glad I got blue. However, it's stained. You know, it did burn. Guys, I'm cleaning the top of my shelves in the kitchen. It's unreal how much grease and dirt you found at the top. You have to really reach to the top of the cabinets, your fridge and so on, because the amount of grease and dust is unreal. By the way guys, have you subscribed? If you haven't, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. It's very important. YouTube will recognize that this video is actually helping somebody. If you are enjoying this video so far, smash that like button and, like I said, subscribe. Guys, I'm just gonna degrease everything. I mean, I don't eat a lot of fries, I don't fry a lot of stuff, I really don't like to eat the grease. But sometimes in the morning, you know, that egg or two, and it goes everywhere. So yeah. Guys, when you see me doing this silly dance, it's because I'm listening to Afrobeat. I mean, I'm listening to the latest tunes. And I mean, the jam is just amazing, okay? So I cannot stop moving my body. But yeah, I'm behaving right now because I know you guys are watching. By the way, have you subscribed? I know you're watching, but you haven't subscribed yet. Press that red button that says subscribe. Guys, I hope you are feeling motivated to clear space or clean your space. Either one, okay? I was procrastinating for days and days and days. I mean, is that the right word? I think I've said that correctly. But yes, so, get yourself a glass of water, drink coffee, do something, just get up that seat and start cleaning. Doesn't matter where you start, just do it like Nike. So my loves, I'm reaching towards the end. As you can see here, I'm just vacuum the floor and I'll mop a bit later after cooking, because I'm gonna fry some cassava and I've got some goat meat as well. So stick around, I'll show you what I'm talking about here. I'm having some African food after all the cleaning, guys. I went to my local Congolese shop and I got myself some meat, some cassava. Yeah, I'm looking forward to eat all of that. Stick around, guys. So my loves, this is the meat, is Congolese. It's called Taba something. Anyone that's Congolese, drop a comment and the cassava there. So I'm going to fry those. Yeah, guys, it just takes me back when I was in my homeland, So I need to be really careful because it's icy, basically, it's frozen. And oil and water do not mix, mate. Yeah, so I'm here frying those and I'm gonna join. I believe there's a secret ingredient in this seasoning. It's so delish. Every time I try to make myself, it doesn't turn out the same. So yeah, guys, I used to love eating cassava, fried cassava, back home in my homeland, my country, Angola, and Angolan in the house. Make sure you drop a comment. So this is cassava, fried cassava. In Angola we call mandioca, Yeah, I'm gonna have with, what do you call it, cabrite. In Angola, chamam cabrité, and in the meat, like the meat that I've shown you guys is called cabrité. But in Congolese dialect, it's something else. What? Guys, thank you so much for sticking around. I'm very grateful that the channel is actually growing, and I'm going towards my 1000 subscribers. For many people it's not a lot, but for me it means the world. Thank you so much, guys. I'll leave you with these beautiful images. I'm gonna go and eat. Until next time, please subscribe and smash that like button. Please do share also. Take care.